In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to a shared link on Dropbox. This feature is a fantastic way to add an extra layer of security when sharing sensitive files or folders. Although it's worth mentioning that it is only available on certain paid plans, such as Professional, Standard, Advanced, and Business. It's important to understand that this password protection applies specifically to the shared link and doesn't create a system-wide password for the folder itself. So, let's dive into the process and get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Dropbox.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Dropbox homepage. Now, the next thing you need to do is locate the file or folder you wish to share. Take your time to browse through your folders until you find the exact item you want to protect with a password. Once you've found the file or folder, hover your mouse over it. You will notice a Share button appearing to the right. Click on Share, and this action will open the Share dialog box. In this step, you need to focus on Settings by locating the Settings icon, which resembles a gear or sometimes is labeled as Link Settings or Manage Settings. Click on this settings icon to proceed. After you click on the settings, you'll see options labeled Link for Viewing or Link for Editing, depending on whether you want your recipients to merely view the content or have permission to make edits. Here, pay attention to the option that says Require Password. This is the crucial step for adding robust protection to your shared link. There will be a toggle switch beside this option. Simply switch it on to activate the password requirement. Once the password requirement is toggled on, you'll be prompted to enter the password that you desire people to use when accessing the shared link. Choose a strong password, potentially a mix of numbers, letters, and special characters to enhance its strength and security. Type in the password, making sure it's something you can remember, but is also difficult for others to guess. After inputting your chosen password, click Save. This action confirms your password settings and finalizes the security feature on your shared link. With all of that set, your link is now password protected. Copy the link from the dialog box and share it with your intended recipients. When they click on the link, they'll pause and see a prompt asking them to enter the password you've just set. And there you have it. You've successfully added a password to your Dropbox shared link, ensuring only those with the password can access your important files or folders. Thank you for tuning in, and happy file sharing.